Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to change style and the size of your cursor in Windows 11. So, as a beginning, you should click on this start icon with Windows logo and find here the settings application. After clicking on the settings application, go to the left panel and find this button Accessibility with beautiful blue man. And here on the third place in this list, you will find a desired function, mouse pointer and touch. Click this. Here you can edit your cursor as you prefer. If you are not satisfied with your size, you can make your cursor giant or tiny. Here you can change style and color of your cursor. I prefer red. And here we go. If this video was helpful, please do all the actions below this video which you would do if you were grateful. And the most important thing, have a great day.